Today's video brings 5 products with high potential, as usual. The first product is the personal alarm keychain. This light product emits a loud alarm when needed, making it suitable for all ages. Also, it features a long-lasting battery and waterproof materials, which can meet diverse practical needs. As the figure shows, its market demand is stable. Buyers' high scores indicate it has strong market competitiveness, bringing less after-sales issues. The next one is the magnetic charging station. This product addresses interface mismatches and messy charging cables. The hassle of charging multiple devices simultaneously. If you're an online electronics store owner, bundling this product can boost sales. Add it to your list right away. The upward search trend indicates its vast potential market. It's on Amazon's bestseller list and has won acclaim from numerous buyers. On TikTok, similar products have attracted many potential customers, which is beneficial for your marketing. The third one is the door handle lock. This item is easy to install and boosts safety compared to traditional locks, especially for solo dwellers. Contact us to get quality at a reasonable price. The rising annual search volume shows its vast potential to be a super hit. Don't miss this money-making opportunity. Check out the multifunctional smart glasses. This new glasses model, with its versatile indoor-outdoor use, color-changing lenses for outdoor eye protection, Bluetooth connectivity and noise-canceling call feature, has won young people's favor. The market's unsaturated, so seize this chance. Contact us to boost your business sales. This product's search volume has soared, revealing a large sales gap. Positive beer reviews show it has few after-sales issues. The last one is the press-type ice cube trays. This item solves traditional ice trays demolding hassle greatly. Made of safe, easy-clean material, it suits health-conscious consumers. Its compact size cuts your logistics costs to keep more profit. Sourcing this potential hit is smart. Google Trends indicates this product's approaching golden sales time. To prevent shortages, pre-stock this seasonal item now.